I'm called Elisha Omundi Okuku, the chair of Pioneer CBO. We want to say that we worked very well and very hard in Siaya as the first assembly, and we are very happy that we are still doing well up to date. The second thing that I would wish is that as leaders of Siaya, we would wish to meet His Excellency, the President of the Republic of Kenya, His Excellency William Samoei Ruto. Because as Siaya, as Pioneer Assembly, even if other assemblies might not have their own organization, but as Siaya, we are organized, we are presentable, we want to meet him if possible so that we can share, discuss issues pertaining development in Siaya. That is number one. Number two, that I might tell the press, is that we as Pioneer Assembly, in our resolution and in our meeting, we said that we will wish that one of our own, who is the first governor for Siaya, to try his luck and contest as a senator coming the next general election. We will be behind him. We'll stand with him because we worked with him and we appreciated what he did entire county. We cannot let it go free. We will wish the one who has the interest of the Siaya people, who knows where he left the development, should also go and oversight what is happening in Siaya going forward. Are we together on that?
Yes.
We stand to be counted as leaders, because once a leader, always a leader. We stand to be counted in Siaya. We will wish that any development, any work, any progress that is happening in Siaya, we are here to make input, because election is just a circle. Not necessarily that if we were not re-elected in other areas, it means that we don't have what we can put on the table at the development of Siaya. We are daughters and sons of Siaya, and we need to be counted in Siaya so that we can take Siaya forward.
We were the first MCAs, first governor to work in Siaya, and we worked so well until we parted ways. And I think we did a lot of things together, and that is why when they asked me to come and greet them as they closed their year, I gladly accepted to come. And so, is there anything wrong in greeting your people you started with? This is something that you know, this is the first group. So there are other groups, isn't it? We also have the sitting MCAs. I have not gotten their whatever. I cannot tell them no, right? And I cannot tell them yes, because Siaya is bigger than us. So we shall still be consulting Siaya at all stages.